If question is asking you find the find particular term from the end, they will say that from the end. Find the they will give the end of it. Suppose this dot 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 they give it 59 out here. They are asking find the sixth term from the end. Find the sixth term from the end. So for that question, how we will do? Any idea? Suggest me. Yesterday I thought first from the end, from this side. This will become first term. From end you are taking. No, this is the first number. 59. D value, if you go this way, so 8 minus 11 you do. D value is coming minus 3. When you go this way, you have to do this minus this. After number, then before number is minus. But if you do this way, which number comes after? 8 comes after 11. So 8 minus 11 you do. Now you find T6. What is the formula of T6? You let A plus 5D, no? A value is how much? 59. 5, D value is minus 3. And now the answer. 59, 5, 3 is 15. 44 is the answer. And if you keep on doing, I will show that your answer will be 44 only. If you do it manually, 59, and before that will come what? 56. Gap of 3, 3, no? 56, before that will come what? Get check. Before 56 will come what? 53, this will come what? 50, this will come 47, then will come what? 44, no? See the 6 number is this or not? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. 6 number is 44 here or not? 44 is here or not? So you can find. No, you tell me the number which you could not do, then I will do that. Read the question once. Okay. So this is the question, the type which I have already done. So you can do now. They are saying fifth term of an age is 34 and T5 is 34. After this term is given there, 15th term is 9, T15 is 9. T5 formula how do you write? A plus 4 you know directly. T15 how do you write? A plus 14D is equal to 9. Change the sign. Minus, minus, minus. This will go. 4D minus 14D will become minus 10D. 34 minus 9 is coming 25. The D value is coming 25 by 10 with the minus sign. Answer is minus 2.5. Or you can add 5 by 2. 5 by 2 or 2.5. Minus sign. D can be negative. There is no restriction on it. D value put back and find A. That is A plus 4. D value is minus 2.5 is equal to 34. A plus minus minus 4 into 2.5 become 10. 34 plus 10. The value is coming 44. First term we got. Now they are asking to find what? RF term. Common difference we already found. Common difference minus 2.5. Find the RF term, that is TR. TR formula at A plus R minus 1B. A value how much we found? 44. R will leave it as it is. D value is how much? Minus 2.5. You have to put minus 2.5. That means this sign you can change. Right? Minus 2.5 into 2.5. Like this. Finish. You can leave the answer till here only. Or if you want, you can open the bracket. 44 minus R into this will become 2.5 R minus minus plus 2.5. 44 plus 2.5 becomes 46.5 minus 2.5 R. That's the answer. If you leave it here, it's also correct. Yeah. Now which one? Tell me the number which you could not do. I love this. 4 part 1 using 4 part 1. Question says minus 1 given, minus 3 given, minus 5 dot is minus 39. You have to find which term of this series is minus 30. This is the last term, and last term is also known as Tn. Tn is given this time. You can use the formula of Tn. Tn formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. Tn value will put, this is the value of Tn, nth term. Let this be nth term, we don't know, that only we have to find. A value is minus 1, n minus 1. D value is how much? D value, how do you find this minus this? What is the answer? The value of common difference is how much? Minus 2, yes, minus 2. Now get the answer. Minus 1 come this side, you get minus 39 plus 1. This will come with a minus 2 into a minus 1. So, I mean, this will become minus 38 is equal to minus 2 a minus 1. Minus minus and cancel. 2 and this will go 19. You get 19 is equal to a minus 1. So 20 is the value of a. Finished. Got it? Yeah. This one, minus 1 I have taken this side, plus 1. This minus 1 I took it on the left side. What is left? Minus 2 times on this, so I get minus 2 times when minus 1. Yes? Then minus minus cancel on both sides and get the answer. Then which other number? Number? Have you done number 6? Number 6. Did you do number 6? Number 6 I am doing it here. Huh? Okay, learn number 6. Yes, yeah, this type of question is important. Find the value of x so that x 8x plus 4 comma 6x minus 2 and 2x plus 7 will form an AP. So this question you can do in two different ways. Okay, first method you see, you know in AP difference is common. No? How do you find difference? This minus this. Again you can find the difference this minus this, and they will be equal because difference is always common. So we will subtract this minus this. You can write as 6x minus 2 minus 8x plus 4 will be equal to this minus this. 2x plus 7 minus 6x minus 2. Now find the answer of x. Open bracket, you get 6x minus 2 minus 8x minus 4. 2x plus 7 minus 6x minus plus 2. Now get the answer. It's easy only. This is minus 2x minus 6. This minus this will give minus 4x plus 9. Being this side, minus 2x plus 4x, 9 plus 6. 4x minus 2x is coming. 2x is equal to 15. Therefore, x is 15 by 2 or 7.5. This is answer. Yes? Huh? Okay, wait. Suppose I write some number like this 3, 7, 11. What is the next number? Tell me. 15. Difference between these two, 7 minus 3. What is the answer? 11 minus 7. What is the answer? 15 minus 11. What is the answer? Difference is same or not? That's why when you subtract this number minus this number minus this number, that will be equal to this number minus this number. Difference is common, no? Even if there are some more number, one more number, that minus that all will be equal, no? Difference will be all equal. Yeah, then yes, huh? Yeah, number 13 is same. Number 13 is same as this one. If you know this, then you know number 13 also. Then, which other question? This one I thought yesterday, but maybe due to connectivity problem you could not see it. But anyway, I'll do it. Number 12. They say find how many numbers between 33 and 333 are divisible by 7. We'll check what is the first number between them coming which is divisible by 7. First one is easy, 7 5 is 35. The first number will be 35. So A value will be 35 and B value will be 7. Difference of 7 you have to maintain. No, they are all divisible by 7. And what is the last number that is less than 333? So what I have to divide? 333 divided by 7. 7 4s are 28. 53. Is 53 divisible by 7? Then you have to minus some number to make it divisible. I think below 53, which is the first number divisible by 7? 49. That is 49. 49 is the number below 53 which is divisible by 7. How to get 59? You have to minus 4 out here, no? Yes or no? So you minus 4 here with this number, minus 4 you will do. What is the last number? Last number is Tn. Tn value is becoming how much? 4 you are subtracting, that is 329. Now can you find the value of n from it? Last number is 329. Last number is also called Tn. Now use the formula of Tn. A value is 35. Tn value put 329. N we have to find. B value is 7. Get the answer of 35 coming this side. 35 is equal to A minus 1 into 7. Subtract. 294 is n minus 1 into 7. With 7 it will cancel surely. 7 4s are 28. 7 2s are 14. You get 42 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 will come this side. 42 plus 1 is the value of n. Therefore, n value is 43. No, sir. There will be 43 such numbers. Yeah, any other question? Yes? So can I start? Huh? How many 2 digits are divisible by 7? This is simple. What are the 2 digit number is starting from? Yeah, 10. 2 digit number starts from 10 and it will end at which number? 99, no? Between 10 and 99 they are saying. You can't find which are the first number divisible by 7 after 10. That will be 14 and B value will be 7. And which is the last number below 100 and below 99? That will be 98. The Tn value is 98 and rule like this only. Finished. Alright? Okay. Huh? Then? So I do sum type, no sums. Problem on sum. No. Second formula. Second formula was like this, no, sum n by 2a plus n minus 1 into t. This is the formula of sum, no? Suppose they are asking find the sum of the AB series. They have given this kind of series that is 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus they are saying 220 terms. What type of numbers are they? They are 80 numbers, but you have to find a sum. Sum is plus plus. You have to add all these answers. What is the total of it? That they are asking you to find. Without doing it, using calculator or doing it manually or this. You have to use formula and do it. Because there are 20 terms, there may be 100 terms, there may be 1000 terms like that. If you do it manually, it will take very, very long time and you will not be able to do it. So we will be using the formula. First at A value. A value is 2. D value 5 minus 2 is 3. And A value, how many numbers are there? S has 20 numbers are there. So find S. S formula we have n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I put the value, n value is 20 by 2. 2a value is 2. Then simple calculation, only nothing extra. 1 into d value is 3. These two cancel, you get 10. 2 to the 4. 19 is the 57. This is 10. 61. Answer will become 610. If you write 20 such numbers like this type of numbers and add all of them using calculator, it will take almost 10 minutes to 15 minutes time if you do manually. And then answer will come same as this one. So this is a shorter one. No? If they give 1000 terms, it will take almost 1 or 2 hours. And there is a chance of mistake also in that. Yes or no? So this is the formula. This is the formula of sum. Okay, now suppose if they say like this, find the sum of the series, and they give me the series like this: 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus dot plus 102. Okay, they are not saying up to how many numbers are there between them coming. That is not mentioned. They have given plus 102. They are not saying 202 terms or 220 terms or 240 terms. They are not saying. The first we will find the total numbers coming to be 2 and 110. How many numbers are coming? Yeah, first we write A value is 2, common difference is 5. This will be the value of last term. No? This is the last term given. Last term is Tn. Tn value is 102. What is the formula of Tn? First we will find the value of n and then we will find sum. Tn formula is for a plus n minus 1 into 3. I think we have done it just now also. 102, a value is 2. n minus 1, d value is 5. 102 minus 2 will come 100 is equal to 8 minus 1 into 5. 5 and this cancel, 20. 20 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 will come this side. 21 is the value of 8. Total how many numbers are coming from here till the last number? There will be 21 such numbers. Now I will find the value of sum of these numbers. What is the formula of sum? You know it. n by 2. Put n value is 21 by 2, a value is 2 plus 21 minus 1 will become 20d. d value is how much? 5. Now do calculation, answer those. 21 by 2 into, this is 100, 104 coming here. With 2 cancel it, 52. 52 into 21 multiply and your answer will come.